Number 8. SAIC Motor. $107 billion.
SAIC Motor Company is the largest Chinese car manufacturer listed in the Fortune 500 global list. This company has been included in the elite list for the 12th time in a row, which is a reflection of the company's constant business development strategy. This company started its activity in 2006. The company is also a member of the Big Four. The Big Four is an industrial group that consists of China's top state-owned automobile brands. The headquarters of this company is located in Shanghai, but its activities are global. SAIC Motor operates in the field of vehicle development, parts, car trade, car services and financing, and due to its high turnover, it is in the first ranks of the ranking of the world's automotive companies. This company has recently built a new factory in Thailand and has a partnership in the construction of car parks and car parts in Indonesia. CYC Motor also cooperates with many famous car manufacturers through joint ventures. Together with Volkswagen, SYK has sold more than 2 million cars in China alone.
Number 7. Honda. $123 billion.
Honda Motor is a Japanese factory that operates globally in the field of automobile and motorcycle production. This company consists of 89 factories in 33 different countries and its sales network is active in about 140 countries. A total of 30,000 people around the world are employed by Honda. The most popular cars produced by this company are Accord and Civic, which are very popular in the consumer car markets. Honda Motors made its first motorcycle in 1949. This company became an international automobile manufacturer in 1959 by establishing a factory in America. This manufacturer has developed a 30-year plan to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide emissions by 30% and was following its production until 2020 based on this. Honda's philosophy is based on respecting the individual and enjoying the three joys: initiative, creative thinking and not being limited by old ideas, treating each other equally and providing equal opportunities for everyone. By following these principles, Honda has been able to gain the trust of customers throughout the decades of its activity, and in this way, it has also achieved high profits.